In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to open a sub-account pot in Monzo app. Let's get started. First, launch your Monzo app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now hit that little plus icon in the top right corner. Tap Create a Pot. Pick your flavor. Regular pot, savings pot, investment pot. Choose what fits your vibe. Customize it. Give it a name. Maybe an image. Set a goal or a deadline. Whatever helps you feel powerful. Fund it now or skip to stash later. For savings pot, make sure you are updated to the latest Monzo app. Then you'll see savings as an option after hitting create a pot. And if you're feeling extra and want to start investing, just tap start investing to open an investment pot. If you already have one, head to savings and investments from the home screen. Hit the three dots next to investment pots and roll on another. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.